Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to start a live broadcast on Boloup. The steps are actually easy and simple. If you want to open a live broadcast for a female host, you need to reach at least level 5 of charm level. For male hosts, you need to reach at least level 8 at charm level. In order to know the requirement for this charm level, you just have to log into your Boloup app. Click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Level option. So right here, you just have to click on the question mark found at the top right corner of your screen. So right here, you just have to scroll gently. You need to see an option for level 5 and the required amount of coin you have to recharge in order to get to level 5, which is 300,000 for female. Now for male that need to go start a live broadcast, you'll be needing up to 10 million coin before you'll be able to get to level 8. So you have to recharge and get up to 10 million coin before you'll be able to get to level 8. That way you'll be able to start a broadcast on Boloup. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to start a live broadcast on Boloup. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.